This is the 7.5-foot tall, pre-lit, frosted, 34-inch wide pencil Christmas tree. I was sent a review from Yaheetech. It's got 948 tips, 350 lights, as well as pine cones, berries, metal hinges, and a metal base. So let's take a closer look at how quick and easy it is to assemble and how absolutely gorgeous it is. It's just 3 pieces to the tree stand, a few extra bulbs, and the instruction manual that tells you exactly how to assemble it. So let's go. First, you just pop off these protective bits. You're going to expand the base here, twist this. Of the 3, there's one, or you'll see the bottom ones are the longest, so that's your base, middle, and the top is the smallest one. So we're gonna start by putting the base one right on in there, and you'll see how they just fall right down. Then we take the second section, plop that one in here. Between each section, you'll find coordinating strings labeled that you are going to connect. Down here, we have our long cord that we can plug into the wall. Our final piece, gonna go right at the top up here. Boom. Again, we've got our coordinating sections here to connect A, and we will kind of pull these down. These are not the umbrella style, you have to manually pull these down. I wanna plug this in. Oh, beautiful. Now we've got to kind of fill out the branches by just pulling them and stretching them out. We've got gorgeous glossy berries, we've got snowy pine cones, we've got frosted tips here, pre-lit, lights already installed. It could not be easier. It is gorgeous and great quality. I'm really not getting anything falling off, not the flocked frosted bits, not any of the pine needles, just really great quality, gorgeous, and so easy and quick to put together. I'm 5'8", so you can see it next to me. It is so tall. It really fills up the room vertically, but it is the pencil diameter, so it really saves a lot of space width-wise. Literally in about 20 minutes, you go from in the box to fully assembled in its 7.5-foot tall glory. It is an absolutely gorgeous tree. Really great quality. Could not be easier to assemble, honestly. Just gorgeous. You don't even need extra ornaments. Of course you can add them, but it's got the pine cones, the berries, the flocking, and the lights. So literally straight out of the box, it's a gorgeous, ready to go Christmas tree. And then it's just as easy to break down. You literally squinch the branches back together, and then you unplug the connectors for the lights. You pull them apart into their 3 pieces, you reverse umbrella them, you put the base away, and then it all goes back into the box if you're really careful. Otherwise, you can get a different bag that's gonna be much easier. You don't have to squish them back together quite as much. It is really nice and compact and gorgeous. I love this from Yaheetech, and I know you will too.